Lie on your back in neutral spine with your feet on the floor. Take a deep breath, and on the exhale, pull your navel in and up. Fold your knees to your chest, and then straighten your legs to 90 degrees. Stretch the arms long by your sides, palms down, fingers reaching away. Inhale and float the head up, curl the upper back into C curve and pump your arms. And exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. And last time, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend your knees, lower your head and feet to the mat to prepare for single leg stretch. Inhale, fold the knees to the chest. On the exhale, float your head up, curl into a C curve, and straighten your left leg out in front of you, 45-degree angle. Keep the core strong to anchor the body to the floor. And inhale, place your right hand by your right ankle, your left hand by your right knee, keeping the elbows high. And exhale, switch legs and hands, right leg up, left knee bent. And exhale, switch, and 2, and switch, and 3, and switch, and 4, switch, and 5, switch, and 6, switch, and 7, last time, switch, and 8. If your back does not stay down on the floor, bring the legs up a little higher. Now bring both feet to the ground and stretch your legs out. Extend your spine and take your arms overhead for roll-ups. Stretch the body completely with the arms overhead, heels pushing away. Squeeze your glutes and press the legs together as you anchor the hips and legs down. Inhale your arms up over the chest, and then exhale, peel the spine up and forward, arms reaching long and chin toward your chest. Inhale wide into your ribs. Exhale and press the spine back down, one vertebra at a time. And again, inhale the arms up. Exhale, scoop the abdominals, curl the spine up. Inhale deeply, squeeze the buttocks under, and on the exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine and roll back down. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, peel the spine up and stretch forward. Inhale deep and wide. Exhale, slowly roll down. And one more time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, pull the navel deep into the spine as you roll up. Inhale the arms long. Exhale, smoothly roll down. Now, roll up to sitting for rolling like a ball. Bend your knees into your chest, hands resting on your shins. Tuck your chin toward your chest and round the upper back into C curve, shoulders relaxed. Lift the feet off the ground and balance on your tailbone with your elbows lifted out. Pulling the navel into the spine, inhale and roll back to the shoulder blades, and then exhale forward and up to balance. And inhale to roll back, exhale and roll up, keeping your ball shape. Initiate the movement from the pelvic bowl. Inhale, roll back, exhale, roll up. And 2 more. Inhale, pull your navel in to roll back, exhale, roll up. And last time, inhale, roll the spine down. Exhale, forward and up to balance. And then bring your feet to the mat. Extend the legs straight out in front of you for spine twist. Sit tall on your sit bones with the legs together, thighs pressing down. Reach your arms out to the side at shoulder height. Dynamically stretch the legs out and the spine up. If your spine is not fully elongated, bend your knees slightly. On an inhale, pull the abdominals in and up as you lengthen through the crown of the head. On your exhale, twist to your right, squeezing your buttocks and legs together tightly. Lift your chest as your eyes follow the hand. Inhale, rotate the spine back to center, arms reaching out, shoulders pressing down. Exhale, twist to the left, rotating the entire rib cage and reaching out with the arms. Inhale, lengthen and rotate back to center, chest lifted. And again, keeping the crown of the head and tailbone in line. Exhale, twist to the right, chest lifted, sitting tall. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist to the left, arms reaching long. Inhale, back to center. And one more time. Exhale, spiral to the right. Inhale, center, sit tall. And exhale, spiral to the left. Inhale, back to center. Now lie down on your left side for Sidekicks. Bring your head to rest on your left hand, your elbow on the mat, and the right arm in front of the chest. Stretch your legs out with the feet slightly in front of your hips, keeping the pelvis and rib cage aligned. Engage the abdominals, pressing the navel deep into the spine. Inhale, lift the right leg to hip level and swing your leg forward, foot flexed, and pulse it twice with 2 little kicks. Exhale, point your toe and swing the foot back and pulse twice. Keep your rib cage lifted throughout the movement. And flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Forward and pulse, point back and pulse. And 4 more. Keep your torso long and hips stacked. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. Last time. Forward and pulse, and back and pulse. Now roll onto your right side. Rest your head on your right hand with the left hand in front of the chest. Extend the legs out with the feet slightly in front of your hips. And inhale, press your navel deep into the spine, lift your left leg and sweep it forward, foot flexed, and pulse twice without rocking the hips. Exhale, point the toes back and sweep the leg back, pulse twice. And again, flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. Flex forward and pulse, point back and pulse. And 4 more. Keep your hips stacked, torso stable. Forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. Forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. And last one, forward and pulse, swing back and pulse. Now to finish, roll over on your belly for spine extension. Stretch your legs back, toes pointed. Extend your arms shoulder width in front of you on the mat. Now engage your core on an inhale. Exhale and lift the arms and the legs off the mat in a long, low line, keeping your head in line with the spine. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release back to the mat. Take another deep breath in, and on the exhale, float up into a long line. Inhale and hold. Exhale and release. And again, inhale deep and wide as you exhale, lengthen up and out. Inhale, hold, and on your exhale, release back down to the mat. Now, bring your hands under your shoulders, bend your knees, and sit back on your heels for child's pose, breathing deep into the back body, relaxing your shoulders and neck.